Good afternoon, MarineMax friends and family. Today we're taking a look at the all-new 2025 Sea Ray 250 SDX. Take you around the interior of this boat and show you all the great features that it has to offer. Come along. Back here at the aft section of the boat, as you can see, you have a very expansive sun pad area, great for lounging. And back here on your swim platform, this is completely lined with SeaDek, which is a great non-slip surface for your high traffic areas in and out of the boat. Also does come equipped with a manual fold down swim platform, which will make it super easy to give you access in and out of the boat. Follow me into the cockpit. Here in the cockpit of the 250, as you can see on your port side, you have a great wraparound seating area, plenty of space for all your friends and family. The cockpit is also equipped with the SeaDek that is the same on the swim platform. Great non-slip surface in and out of the boat. Got some additional seating and wireless charging here on your starboard side. And up at the helm, as you can see, this has a deluxe captain's chair, seating for two, plenty of room with a movable backrest. Turn this into a very conversational cockpit and also give you rear-facing lounging when you're tied up out on the lake. At your helm, you do have all your switches. These are going to be a lot of your lights and your bilge pumps and blowers. And over here on your dual sim rods, this is going to control all your navigational features as well as see some of your engine functions here on the boat. Making our way up to the bow, this is your sun deck line, so it's going to have a great amount of seating here in the bow, plenty of seating for all your friends and family, and also has a very nice jump off portion there on the bow as well. So if you like this boat or any other boat you see in our online inventory, stop by Grand Lake MarineMax today.